welcome to the first video on learning Java programming language on the farm. My name is Aras Balali Moghadam and this is my channel Caspian Coder. So if you haven't figured out already, I'm going to try to teach Java programming language concepts while I'm spending time at the farm. And there's a couple of things I want to achieve by doing this. First of all, I want to spend a lot more time here, so I thought it would be a good win-win situation if I try to record my thoughts here and make them available for my students and maybe some other people out there who are interested. And secondly, I actually think that a lot of times we're taking the real life context out because we want to focus on new technologies that we're developing. And I don't think it is a good thing. I don't think it's good for our health. I don't think it's good for understanding the world around us. So I think maybe sometimes we should just accept that the world is really complex and there's a lot of things going on at the same time. So I'm not going to cut out the noise out of the background. The topics I'll cover roughly resemble what you encounter in a first-year programming language, like an introduction to Java programming at a university. But by no means this will be a comprehensive coverage. I'm just going to talk about some of the topics I feel that students are having a hard time with, or maybe I had a hard time with when I started. And hopefully I can get those high-level topics across, but then you need a lot of practice and actual coding to improve your skills. I will be using this book as a guideline. There are lots of different channels on YouTube, really good ones, demonstrating how to program in Java. There's really good coverage of syntax. There's some really good coverage of the high-level programming concepts. But what I'm trying to do in this channel is put a little twist on it because I want to spend a lot of time on the farm. So I'm going to record everything at the farm with some activities happening in the background. Like you can see, my ram is going to check it out right now. It's happening. Hey buddy, just don't ram me. He broke my last phone. Cool. So if you're not interested in the farm, I totally understand. But if you find this sort of small farming interesting, but you also want to learn programming, and then feel free to come along. And I'm hoping to cover some really interesting concepts.